Once upon a time, in the ancient city of Athens, there lived a young man named Leon. Leon had always been curious and had a strong desire to seek knowledge and understand the world around him. He had heard tales of the wise philosopher Socrates and his unique teaching method called the Socratic Method. Eager to learn, Leon sought out Socrates and asked to become his student. Impressed by Leon's enthusiasm, Socrates agreed to take him under his wing. Every day, Socrates would engage Leon in conversations and pose thought-provoking questions to stimulate his thinking. One sunny morning, as they strolled through the bustling marketplace, Socrates stopped by a fruit vendor's stall. He picked up a shiny red apple and asked Leon, "What do you think makes this apple red?" Leon pondered for a moment and replied, "I believe it's because the apple reflects light in such a way that our eyes perceive it as red." Socrates nodded, acknowledging Leon's response. But then he asked, "But if we were in complete darkness, would the apple still be red?" Leon was taken aback by the question. He hadn't considered that perspective before. He thought for a moment and replied, "No, in complete darkness, we wouldn't be able to see the color of the apple." Socrates smiled and said, "Indeed, my young friend, the color of the apple exists only in our perception. It is a product of the interaction between light, our eyes, and our minds. Our understanding of the world is shaped by our perception and interpretation of reality." Leon was amazed by Socrates' insight. He realized that knowledge and truth are not fixed concepts but are subjective and influenced by individual perspectives. Socrates had taught him that it is crucial to question, examine, and challenge our assumptions to arrive at a deeper understanding of the world. From that day forward, Leon embraced the Socratic method and engaged in conversations with others, encouraging them to question their beliefs and delve into deeper truths. He discovered that through thoughtful inquiry, he could unravel layers of knowledge and uncover hidden insights. As time went on, Leon became known for his ability to engage in meaningful discussions and guide others towards critical thinking. He adopted Socrates' philosophy of intellectual humility, recognizing that there is always more to learn and discover. Inspired by Socrates, Leon dedicated his life to spreading the wisdom of the Socratic method. He traveled far and wide,